Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today we are making a simple and inexpensive fall wreath. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. You will need a wreath form from Dollar Tree, and it's 14 inches. You will not need a sign for this wreath. I thought I was going to use this sign, but in the end I did not. You will also need some wheat, and this was purchased at Dollar Tree. And you will need some burlap ribbon, and this also came from Dollar Tree. And you will need 3 rolls of ribbon for this wreath. And for a bow, you're going to need some ribbon with wire, and this is 2.5 inch, and it does have the wire, and I purchased it at Hobby Lobby. And you will need a large bunch of flowers. And this bunch of flowers came from Walmart, and I purchased them for $3. You're also going to need your scissors, something to trim your floral picks, your hot glue gun and glue sticks, and some floral stem wire. You do not need the pipe cleaners. I thought I was going to use them for the sign, but I didn't add the sign. You will also need some small pumpkins or gourds, just a couple's all. And I purchased those at Hobby Lobby. And you will need 2 zip ties. Okay, first you're going to want to flip over your wreath, and you're going to take your burlap ribbon and thread it under it, and then you're going to add a little hot glue. Be real careful, try not to burn yourself, and make sure you don't glue it to the table. And you're going to fold it over and kind of press it together and let it dry for just a little bit. Then you're going to want to wrap your burlap ribbon around your wreath form, and just make sure that you're keeping it tight, and make sure you're overlapping some, but just not too much, because you want to make it work with the 3 rolls of burlap ribbon. And this is how it looks, and I did have some burlap ribbon left. Very simple to do, and it doesn't take long at all. And as you can see in the center, that's what I had left. And then you're going to want to trim your floral picks, and we use 10 snips to trim these stems. And then you'll spread your wheat or wheatgrass, and you're going to layer your sunflowers on top. And I just used 2 sunflowers for this little bundle or bouquet, and I'm going to zip tie the bouquet together. Just make sure you get it real tight, and then you'll want to trim off the extra zip tie that sticks out. And I decided to place my bouquet on the right side of my wreath, but you could put it on the left if you choose. And I only used 4 of the sunflowers, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. And so here I'm zip tying the bottom 2 sunflowers into my little swag. So just wrap your zip tie around your little bouquet and make sure that you pull it tight. Now you could use some floral stem wire if you wanted to, but zip ties are just a little bit quicker for me and easier to do. Okay, so I have my little swag made. And now I am going to attach it to my wreath with some floral stem wire, and I'm just threading the wire through the burlap ribbon to the back side. So just be careful. It takes a little bit of time sometimes to get the thread through, but just make sure you're threading the wire through the burlap, and then you'll want to go to the very back and give it a few twists. Then you're ready to trim off the extra wire and fold it down. Okay, and this is how the swag looks on the right side. And the flowers are very flexible. You can kind of bend them and shape them however you would like. And I added 4 wires to the back to hold my swag in place. Okay, you're going to want to let out a tail and just keep it pinched tight in your left hand and make a loop and go back and forth, trying to make the loops the same size on each side. And I just did 2 loops on each side for this bow. And this ribbon is from Hobby Lobby, and it does have wire. And you can use a 40% off coupon if it is not on sale. Or you can use the Dollar Tree ribbon with wire, and it works perfect too. And you'll need some floral stem wire close by for your bow. And I thought this ribbon would be so pretty with that thankful sign that I got at Dollar Tree, but I just couldn't get the sign to work out for me, so I didn't use the sign. But like I said, the sign's really cute. So I just went ahead and went with the bow because I thought it went pretty with the sunflowers. And so I'm taking the floral stem wire and just wrapping it around the center of the bow, keeping it tight. You'll want to leave your wires long because you're going to use them to attach your bow to your wreath. And then just shape your bow. If you have any questions, just let me know. And this is 20 gauge floral stem wire. And I am just going in the center of my little swag, right in the middle, right over their stems, and I'm threading the wire through the burlap ribbon to the back of the wreath. So just thread it through, then go to the back and give it a few twists. And the flowers, you can kind of bend them however you would like. You can kind of turn them inward or outward, whatever way that you want them to go. They're really good quality flowers for $3. Okay, and bring your tails forward, and then you'll want to fluff your loops. Okay, I'm adding a little pumpkin. I ended up adding 2 total, and I purchased them at Hobby Lobby. I couldn't find any at Dollar Tree. And then I'm just taking some of the extra leaves, and I'm going to cover up anywhere that I see a zip tie or a wire or some stems. So I'm just going to take the extra leaves and kind of go through and cover up things and kind of camouflage it to give it a more finished look. So I just added a few leaves. Just hot glued them right in. And then I added this cute little gourd. And then you'll want to thread a piece of wire through the top of your wreath so that you can hang it on your door. And if you hear something, it's my little Chihuahua. He's here with me. But this is very simple to make. It's inexpensive and it doesn't take long, and it turns out really pretty. So here it is hanging on my door. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will add a materials list in the drop-down box for you. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. I also thought this wreath would look really pretty if you got an initial letter and spray painted it black and added it to the left side of the wreath. I thought that would be a nice touch too. So that's just one option. So let me know what you think, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.